Hello, I'm going to tell you how to use Excel to get the currency exchange rate from the internet. And the best source, of course, is the Yahoo Finance, which is free and with a lot of updated information. First of all, we open the Excel, then we click here, Data, and here we say Get Data from here. And we get data from other sources. From other sources, we select the web. Wait a while. Wait. Okay, now we get a URL. We enter the URL address, which is financeyahoo.com currency investing #crossrate. And we press OK. Wait. Then we wait until the connection is made. Okay, we wait. Of course, now to come, we have several tables, and we just select the first table, which table 0, and we show you what the table 0 is all about. Okay, we got all the rates here. Then what shall we do? We press load. Then the Yahoo Finance information will be loaded to your Excel table. Wait until the loading is completed. Oh, Yahoo! Now we got all the information here. Of course, we don't want to watch all this kind of currencies. We may pick the one that we like. For example, we can just select all, and we selected Australian dollars, Chinese renminbi, euro against United dollars, Hong Kong dollars, and or the British pound. Okay, that's it, and I press OK, and that's all the currency we are interested. Now, if you want to get a rate maybe tomorrow or a day after tomorrow, we don't want to load all the things again. We have just to refresh the data. And the way to refresh is control the key, control, alternate F5. Then we'll have the data refreshment. So every time you just press the key combination, and that will have. Okay. Yeah, we get a refreshment here. Okay. That's it, and we can use Excel to do all the data collection. And of course, why we have to use Excel? Because we can have the data for every day, and we can do the analysis. We can plot graph, we can make forecasts on, and that we have much more useful than making the record on paper only. Okay, because Excel has a lot of power that can make analysis and graphing. Okay, thank you for watching. Hopefully this is kind of tips for using Excel more effectively. Okay, thank you.